Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Vikram Siya Kirasiya Chauhan, PGT Physics, Nandvidyaniketan, Jamnagar. As we all know, this is the second week of our online science club activities, an initiative of our science club Scientia Enim Hominis, Science for Mankind. In this, we are performing different activities from home and trying to learn the different concepts of science to the depth. Before going towards the second week activities, I would definitely like to mention about the hard work that you had done in the previous week. Children, you had performed absolutely stunning throughout the week. I had gone through the different videos, I had gone through the experiments that you had made, you had done, and I could feel that the expert hands were operating. You were working, you were performing that activity like a pro. And there stands the hard work, there stands the words of praise for you all. The two activities that we had performed, they were absolutely fantastic and your response was overwhelming. I would definitely love to see same response, similar kind of response from you throughout the session, throughout the particular period. We will continue. Now, today we are going to perform another activity which is based on surface tension, phenomenon of liquids, in which its upper part, its upper surface acts like a stretched membrane. For today's activity, activity 3, we are going to need some colored water, a glass tumbler, and some coins. You can take 1 rupee coins, 2 rupees coins, 5 rupees coins altogether. This is a very simple activity which gives us a clear idea about the surface tension. So what are we waiting for? Let us start with the steps involved in this activity. First, we will take the glass tumbler and fill it with colored water. I am doing it twice so that the color will get properly mixed throughout the water. Now, there is an essential thing that we will have to take care. The glass must be filled up to the brim that it will form a flat surface, it will form a flat meniscus of water in it. And for the better appearance, I will take a book below it. Let me take slightly some support so that you can see the meniscus, the perfect flat meniscus. We will have to add some water here, so I am adding the water. Water must be up to the brim. So this is the first step. Second step is that take the coins in your hand. I'll take all of them in my hand so that one after the other I can immerse them in the glass. Initially, take these coins of same size. Now I am going to put 2 rupees coins in this. We will have to count the number of coins that we are going to insert in this glass tumbler and observe the surface of water. How it changes, we have to observe throughout the activity. So this is the first coin that I am dropping in. It should be small, it should be slightly released, or slowly we will immerse it in this. 2, 3, till the time I had immersed 19 coins in this glass tumbler, and you will have to observe the meniscus which is formed on the surface. Initially the surface was flat, and now you can observe there is a change in its size, there is a change in its shape. Instead of remaining flat, now it becomes a convex type of surface. So this is the activity for different liquids, and for different number of coins, different size of the coins, you will have to repeat the same. The description, the steps are given at the end of this video. So please perform it, make a video and upload